Hi there, I'm Hoyt, and today I will discuss about Symantec 250-254 exam, which is related to administration of Symantec Cluster Server 6.1 for Unix certification. Also at the end of this video, I'll share my suggestions for preparing the 250-254 exam and how to decrease the chances of failing in this exam by more than 95%. If you want to pass the 250-254 exam in the first attempt, follow my advice with confidence. This exam validates the ability to evaluate an environment to determine suitability for a Symantec cluster server for a high availability solution. Install and verify Symantec cluster server in a variety of environments, configure cluster data protection mechanisms suitable for specified environments. It also deals with the ability to prepare an application for a Symantec cluster server, high availability, and reconfigure cluster data protection mechanisms. This exam is created specifically for customers. Successful candidate has the knowledge and skills necessary to successfully administer Symantec Cluster Server 6.1 for Unix. Candidates must pass the technical exam and accept the Symantec certification agreement.
As you're now well aware about the course outline, related technologies and required skills for this exam, we now move to the exam preparation discussion. This advice is also best suited for busy professionals who have minimum time to prepare for their certification exam. Now, two types of candidates mostly attempt the exam. One who are complete beginners, and the others who are mostly professionals who have enough theoretical knowledge and they want to get a certification to validate their credentials. Now, for the beginners, there is no alternate to the study guides or tutorials recommended on the official vendor site. Even if those resources are a little pricier and detailed, you should prefer them. They're recommended for a reason. Now, you can also search around the internet or join online study groups to find relevant study materials for free or at a discount. But listen, no matter what type of candidate you are, to pass the actual certification exam, do not forget the practice test questions. Now, I don't know how to stress this anymore. If you have to do only one thing to prepare for the actual exam, then it must be using the practice exams. See, practice exams are built with actual exam scenarios in mind, and they let you validate your knowledge quickly. Now, Just Certs provides practice exams that are created by subject matter specialists. These practice exams have multiple learning and practice modes. After you attempt a practice session, the software keeps record of your progress and shows you your weak areas. You can retake the practice test as many times as you like until you feel confident about the actual exam. Now, you can even customize your testing mode to make it more difficult as your confidence grows. And this is going to help you pass your actual exam in an amazing way. You're going to feel almost zero pressure during the exam, and the actual questions will look familiar to you. Now, you can try a free demo of these practice exams to understand how it will work, but in short, these practice tests will make you familiar with the style and format of actual exam questions and allow you to take a short mock exam to see how well you've understood and retained the learnings from the preparation material you used. So visit justcerts.com and download a free demo of the product, and I've also placed some helpful links in the description of this video, so make sure you check those out too.